Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to sign in Pocketbooker account. Firstly, open your browser and go to pocketoption.com, or simply click the direct link from a trusted source. In the top right corner, select Login, sometimes labeled as Sign In. Type in your registered email and password and be sure there are no typos, especially with capital letters or symbols. Click the blue login button beneath the password field, and if your credentials are correct, you'll be taken straight to your trading dashboard. To save time, next time you log in, just check the Remember Me box before signing in. Your login info will be saved in the browser for faster access. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to log in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.